Yesterday we were Adi Lila, chapter 17. We were just discussing yesterday. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was in Radha mood. He was doing Nam Sankirtan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was thinking to have sannyas. Why? Because so many aparadi people, they will not accept this prema, this Krishna prema. Then at least, like if I take sannyas, then they will at least pay obeisances to me. By doing pranam to me, their paap will be destroyed. And at the end, they will be qualified to accept bhakti. That's why Mahaprabhu was thinking in his mind that I should take sannyas. Until there is paap and aparad in the heart, the pure bhakti will not manifest. Paap and aparad, until the paap and aparad are destroyed, then the pure bhakti. Actually, before that, you are practicing bhakti, but it's bhakta abhash, but it's not really bhakti. So, paap. So you are practicing to abolish the sinful activity, sinful paap, the paap. So when you are chanting in the beginning, this is called nam abhas, chaya, like the shadow. It's also pratibin like Mayavadi. Mayavadi also are chanting. That is called pratimban bamba. Also it's mentioned in the Shastra. Yes, Uttam. Here older. तो ये बड़े. I asked who's older. Uttam Prabhu's brother is here, so he's saying, where is Uttam Prabhu? Who's older? Karmas. Paap. Karmas means paap. So by chanting is by chanting, then your sins will be destroyed. Advaitat is. Then they are also chanting Pitam, pit, Pratibimb. Pratibimb. What is this Pratibimb name? There is no relationship with in the chaya. In the chaya, there is still a relationship with the name. But with Advait and Mayavadis, when they chant, there is no relationship. Like when there is a tree, yeah, see, like the shadow of the tree, when you see it in the river, in the water, in the river, what is that? That's the shadow of the river. But what is Pratim? That's the shadow. So Pratimbin means like there's no relationship. For example, the moon is in the sea, but the shadow of the moon is in the sea. You can see the Chandrama in the sea, but there is no relationship with the actual moon. So similarly, the Advait and Mayavadis, when they chant, there is no. It's like, example is like the shadow of the moon, because they don't accept the Swarup of Krishna. So even if they chant from their mouth, that is called Pratimbim. Like a simple devotee, a simple with us who is chanting. Okay, he's not chanting the pure name. He's doing chanting, but it's not pure name. But he accepts the Sachidananda Vigraha of Bhagwan, and accepts the form of Bhagwan. Like, what's the difference between Mayavadi and a Kanistha Bhakta? Because Mayavadi, what the Mayavadi philosophy is that they don't accept the Vigraha of Bhagwan as Sachidanandan. They accept Brahman. They accept the Brahman, which is what? The Jyoti, the effulgent from Krishna's Bhagwan. But they don't accept the Vigraha of Bhagwan. So that is Aparad. Without the beautiful Shastra also explains the beautiful form of Bhagwan. They don't accept that. They don't accept the beautiful form. How do they accept the deities? Just sorry. So what is their name? Whatever they do name, the chanting of the names they do is Pratibambam Prakash. Like there is no sambandh, there is no relationship with the name. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Bhakti Vivek Tattva, he's mentioned that in the Chaya Abhas, what is there is relationship with Bhagwan. They accept the form of Bhagwan, but even though they have, because they have anathas in their heart, they are not chanting the pure name, but they have vishwas, they have faith in their guru, and then they are chanting. At the moment, okay, there is Kanistha Adhikar. They don't have faith, firm faith. They don't have the gyan of the Shastra. They don't have the full gyan of the Shastra. They haven't had realization. But they have faith in Guru's instruction and the Shastras. That's why what do they take? It's the Arup Siddha Bhakti. So they come under Arup Siddha Bhakti. But as they progress and they have a sadhu sang, then slowly they will start getting the true knowledge. And then they associate by associating with the sadhu sang, and then doing the bhajan, and the heart gets purified slowly, slowly. And then they will know the Swarup. That is called Swarup Siddha Bhakti. Arup Siddha Bhakti, Sangha Siddha, and Swarup Siddha Bhakti. So that's the process of bhakti. But what is in Mayavad? Because Mayavadis don't believe in Sachidananda Vigraha of Bhagavan. They don't accept the Sachidananda Vigraha of Bhagavan. That's why there is a prad. They are doing a prad. That's Mahaprabhu is thinking. Yesterday we heard the katha. So slowly their heart will be purified. Then I will be able to give a Suddha Bhakti. No, yes. That's why Mahaprabhu started to think, how will I be able to deliver them if I take sannyas? So all the Hindus, like how will I be able to deliver the Hindus? At least if I take sannyas, they will do pranam to me. This pranam, how many types of pranam? Uttam, how many types of pranam are there? When we do pranam, thank you so much. 3. He says there is 3 types. Mind, body. One is mind. We do pranam with mind. One is, the sastan pranam. The one when you do sastan pranam is when your body, with your body you do pranam. That is sastan pranam. When Mahaprabhu went to Alanath, and the rock that melted when he did the pranam, that's the astan pranam he did with his body. Like there's a chin, of his knees, with his chest and his forehead. And also fingers. There's 8. Mustard, forehead, chest, 2. Hands. 3, 4. 4. So 5, 6 knees. Asta anga ke pranam. That is when you do pranam with your body. What is the 3rd? Now. What? Nitya. Parankaran. Astikaran. Sorry. संपादन कारण में अधिकरण है षष्ठी आलोचना Sorry, Maharaj. What was the third one? This is the third. Now we are doing the third. There are three, na? The way to pay. One is by mind. Yeah. And by Sastan. And the Panchana Pranam. Panchana Pranam. What does Panchana Pranam mean? Oh, five means like forward, we bow down with your foot. Yes. Heart. And two knees. Like, yes. Like, yes. So Panchan Pranam is like your forehead and your two hands and your knees. So that's 4, 5. ये सब पांडविक पाषाणिक तभी हुई भी निस्तार और एक मोर उपाय और कोनो उपाय नहीं ये युक्ति सार है यही तो सिद्धांत है युक्ति सार में ये सिद्धांत the siddhant is there is no other way to deliver them sannyas. So you have to take sannyas, otherwise there is no way to deliver these people. Even Mahaprabhu said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Guru is representative of Bhagwan, so he's a Bhagwan's Swarup. Mahaprabhu said, I deliver me from this material world. संगे नित्यानंद चंद्रशेखर आचार्य मुकुंद दत्त इत्यादि कहिला सर्व कार्य when Mahaprabhu took sannyas, who was with him? Nityanand Prabhu was at Mukunda. आदि लीला पुरे सूत्रगणन इत्यादि कहिला दास वृंदावन सुधानंद मृग सचिदानंद चतुर्विध भक्त भाव हरियास्वादन. That's why Sachidananda Gaura Hari. Four Dasya, Sakha, Madhurya and Vatsalya. So 4 moods. Dasya, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. He accepted. Oh, the mood, the Radharani's prem, the mood. Krishna has got Radharani's bhav. Krishna who's come in to relish the Radharani's bhav. This Gopi bhav, Prajanandan, Krishna, nobody can accept.
यह छड़ी कृष्ण दे हयन्नकार गोपिकार भाव नहीं जाए निकट तहार। कृष्ण भजनंदन श्याम सुंदर में
Rajanandan Samsundar, there is a speciality about him. He has a peacock feather. He's got a murali. He holds a flute to his mouth, and his body is curved in 3 places. When you see the gopis see the Krishna, that Krishna, if the Krishna is not, if his body is not curved in 3 places, or if there is no feather on his head, or he didn't have a flute in his hand, then the gopis don't accept it. Then Krishna, at one time, and he manifested himself as Narayan. Narayan with a very beautiful form. When the gopis saw him, they like they accepted that is Narayan. He's Chaturmukh. He is not our Pran Pritam Krishna. So they just paid obeisances, and they said, "Hey Narayan, please have mercy on us and tell us where our Krishna is." Even the learned scholars, the exalted scholars, cannot understand the gopis' feelings for Krishna, which are fixed on the original form of Krishna. That is the Krishna with the feather and the peacock feather and the flute, and the body curved in 3 positions. Krishna once in the Ras, and he sanket that I will meet Radharani in this kunj. And the Krishna disappeared from the Ras. It's a very strange Leela. So the gopis started to search for Krishna, because the Krishna disappeared from the Ras. Then Krishna saw. Then they were running after Krishna. The Sakhis who are on the Radharani's side, they, where is Krishna today? The Vipaksha, they didn't know. Vipaksha Tatascha gopis, they didn't know. They also started to look at Krishna. Where the kunj, they found Krishna. They were almost near the kunj where Radharani was with Krishna.
मिल रही है। इससे तुम्हारी और हमारी क्या जरूरत है?
So then they said, what is the difference? Then the gopis realized that Krishna is with alone, with Radharani. So what happened to the gopis? They had man.
तो उस समय कृष्ण कह रहे राधे तुम चिंता मत करो।
So Radharani is telling Krishna
मुझे से बाहर चले जाओ।
that Radharani is thinking that if you are with me and the gopis find out, then they will be in man. So Krishna said, okay, what you do is don't worry, you leave the kunj.
और उस समय कृष्ण ने किया कि उसी
At that
कुंज में
moment, what did Radharani say?
चतुर्भुज होकर के खड़े रहे।
And at that moment when Radharani left, and she was wandering around, and she met the gopis, but at that moment what Krishna did was Krishna manifested in that Chatur Vishnu form, Narayan form.
इधर भी सुखिया भाई कहने लगे देखो
Then Sakhya said, so the Sakhis are saying, Arey, he's kapat. He's,
भग जाएगा। एक काम करें हम लोग,
if we are there near, then he will do.
घेर लेते हैं।
See, so what we do is,
और हम लोग सब दल करके
and he said,
चारों तरफ से हम लोग कृष्ण इसी कुंज छोड़ करके कहीं जाएगा।
actually
जंगल में छोड़ करके कहीं नहीं गए।
he will not go anywhere. He will kunj. So what we do, we will surround this kunj.
देखो उस प्रकार के
So they said if Krishna would not go anywhere away from the kunj. So
सारी तरफ ढूंढे।
they surrounded the kunj.
जब चंद्रावली के दल आगे कृष्ण ने चतुर्भुज
Krishna is Chaturbhag, and they paid pranam, and they said, you are not our pran pritam, you are Chaturbhag Narayan, we pay obeisances to you.
कोई विग्रह होगा।
They thought it's probably a vigra. The gopis then went forward.
जितने भी सपक्ष
Sapaksha, Vipaksha, all the gopis, they started to move
और
forward.
अंत में
And at the end, Radhika, she came.
बड़ी मुझ पर वर्णन हो रहा है राधा के गंध दूर से राधा के अंग गंध
The bodies.
के साथ मिलने के साथ ही साथ
The body.
चतुर्भुज धारण कर लिया है।
Actually, yes. Krishna could not keep that Narayan form because he could have the fragrance of her body, and so with that, when he smelled the fragrance, he could not keep that Narayan's form. So the prem, the love that Radharani has so much that Krishna could not keep that Narayan form.
हे राधा के साथ मिलन એટલે તમારે પ્રહલાદ સરસ્વતી પાઠ કરે જસ્સા કલાબી વસમંચન કિરણત ધન્નાતિ ધન્ન પૌર્ણ કિતાર્થમાન જગેન્દ્ર दुर्गंबदी मधुसूदनो वेत शास्त्र विश्वान भूषो बोले जी दिशा पर विश्वान में श्रीमती राधिका
In whichever direction Srimati Radhika, and whichever direction she's there, wherever the direction she's there, that I do pranam, because the fragrance that comes out from her body is even the Krishna in his Chaturbhag would not keep that form. Radha's darshan is very far, but even from far away, the fragrance emanating from Radha's body, that Krishna gets ecstasy just smelling that. That's why in Chaitanya Charitamrita said,
राधा आगे यदि कृष्ण राधे दंडाइया विभंग भंगी भय भ्रूण आचार्या
Chaitanya Charitamrita, it says,
राधा आगे कृष्ण यदि
Radha,
नहीं राधा जी की दूर से देख लिया
even he sees Radhaji from very far away, Krishna's heart will start trembling.
त्रिभंगम अपने अपने भंग हो जाते हैं
Tribhangan, by itself, he'll go into
राधा
three
आगे
forms.
कृष्ण जी रहे दंडैया त्रिभंग भंग भय भ्रूण आचार्या अपने प्रेम की क्रिया आदि प्रकाश करते हैं
Because
समस्त वर्णन इसलिए तो प्रभुनानंद जी श्लोक के
in the Parmananda is writing a sloka,
जगेंद्र दुर्गंगति मधुसूदन शास्त्रम विश्वभानु पूजितो जगेंद्र दुर्गंगति मधुसूदन कृष्ण
Madhusudan Krishna.
जिसके लिए ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े-बड़े
Even the
देवताओं
Lord
के भी
Brahmas and Shivas, Lord Shiva and the great Devas, they cannot also attain. They cannot also attain. Agamba Krishna,
और राधाई को
Radha,
दूर से दर्शन करके राधा की अंगगंध आदि बात
even the fragrance from the Radharani, even he trembles. His heart also trembles.
अतः श्रीमती राधिका मानिनी होकर के जब राधा कुंज के दूसरी तट पर खड़ी हो
Even
जाती है,
Radharani is far away from the Kunj.
राधा कुंज और श्याम कुंज की
Even like Samba Kund, where the Radha and Sam Kund meet, he's standing there.
कृष्ण कहाँ पर खड़े?
Krishna is standing
श्याम कुंज की
between, he's standing Sangam, between the meeting place of Radha Kund and Sham Kund. That's where Krishna is standing there. And on the other side of Radha Kund, Radharani is standing.
कहीं शासन करते हैं।
Radharani
ये
is,
सब सुंदर आगे मत बढ़ो। हैं? और उस समय राधा जी की
at that time Radharani,
अंग की सुगंध
the fragrance that's coming from her body,
राधा के बसन में वस्त्र में लगा
it was in his
और
cloth, in her
पवन
clothes.
देव
It's in her clothes. And then the wind is blowing,
वस्त्र के लेकर के
and the wind is blowing, and and her cloth is like flying
और उससे
with the
जो राधा
wind,
की अंग की
and the
सुगंध
fragrance
बढ़ने लगा।
that's in her body, in her clothes, in her clothes, that wind, the Pavandev wind
लेकर के आ गए, आवाज लेकर के आ गए।
brings that
उसी
fragrance
गंध के पा करके कृष्ण
and comes
का
towards
धर्माधि
Krishna.
धर्म नितार्थवान।
So Krishna is saying, Krishna is saying, hey Pavandev, your life is successful.
मैं तो जानता हूँ।
I cannot go because Radharani is in man.
किंतु देखो तो
But you,
क्या कर रहे हो?
look at you,
राधा की
Pavandev,
वस्त्र के साथ तो
you were playing with Radharani's cloth.
इधर दूसरा कदापि गलत धन्ना गलत खेल के छल से हैं?
You are
वो
playing,
वस्त्र क्या है?
you are playing up and down, you're playing with Radharani's
धन्ना
cloth.
पवन नितार्थवान। ये पवन देव
Hey Pavandev, hey wind, your life is successful.
है। दूसरी क्या है?
What is the
ना
second
वही
thing?
राधा जी की अंग की सुगंध में जो वस्त्र
The
में लगा,
smell.
वस्त्र की सुगंध
That you brought that smell from the cloth here to me.
कृष्ण देखे कवि कहे आसिया यह कृष्ण नहीं हो नारायण मूर्ति ये तो बोली सवितारे करे मते स्तुति नमो नारायण देव करो प्रसाद कृष्ण संग देव मोरे बुझाओ विषाद हे नारायण
Hey Narayan,
आप इतनी कृपा करें
you do kripa on
कृष्ण
me.
जी हमें संग प्राप्त हो।
Please, so gopis are telling Narayan that please have kripa, that we
ये तो
find
बोली
Krishna.
नमस्ते जला लपिकान अनकाले राधासी दिलदर्शन राधा जी कृष्ण तारे हस्त करिते हे चतुर्भुज मूर्ति चाहे राखिते लुकाई डाबी भुज राधा लक्षते बहु यत्न कइला कृष्ण नारीला राखिते राधा विशुद्ध भावी रचनित प्रकाश जे कृष्ण ने कराएगा दिभुज स्वभाव जो कथा मैंने सब बताया कोई वर्णन नहीं आगे उज्जवल मणि
In Ujjwal Nilmani Granth,
गोस्वामी पास भी
in Rupa Goswami Pad, he has mentioned this slok.
राधा रंग विधु मिले तो वसदा मृगे ये कुंजे मृगाक्षी गणई दृष्टम गोपयितुम समुद्र बुद्धिया चासुष्टु दोचिता संदर्शिता राधया प्रणस्त हंत महिमा जस्य श्रीयारचितु शाशक्कं प्रभव विष्णाभूति हरिन्न नासिक कर्तुम बाहुक कशी कथा की वर्णन करें सही ब्रजेश्वरी जगन्नाथ पिता सही ब्रजेश्वरी सची देवी माता वही ब्रजेश्वरी
This Brajeshwari,
नंद महाराज
Nanda Maharaj, the king, is now,
नवदीप मायापुर में
they were in,
जगन्नाथ मिश्र के रूप में जाने से जिन्होंने
is now. So that Nand,
वही
that
ब्रजेश्वरी
father Nand, the king of Rajbhumi, is now Jagannath
कौन
Mishra. Jagannath Mishra. Vrishabhanu is now Jagannath Nand, and the father of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Mother Jashoda, the queen of Rajbhumi, is now Sachi Devi, Lord Chaitanya's mother. So Jashoda in Navadip Dham, she is the Jashoda is in the form of now she is Sachi Devi in Navadip as a mother of Lord Chaitanya.
अद्वैत गोसाई भक्त अवतार कृष्ण अवतरित गौरव विचार। इसी प्रकार
The Vatsalya, Dasya, Shakya Bhav are there. That Nityanand Prabhu, actually the Baladev Prabhu now is Nityanand Prabhu, and he's helping in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela. This Advaita Acharya has appeared as the incarnation of a devotee. He is Sadasiv or Mahavishnu. Advaita Acharya is a manifestation of Sadasiv and Mahavishnu. So all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu according to their bhav. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sometimes he was in sannyas roop, and 24 he was in 24 years Grahastha Leela, 24 years sannyas Leela. That's why Chaitanya Prabhu, he was in a gopi bhav and he's calling out for Krishna. That gopi, there is Krishna.
अचिंत अद्भुत कृष्ण चैतन्य विहार चित्र भाव चित्र गुण चित्र व्यवहार तर्किया नामन्य सही दुराचार तर्किया नहीं माने सही दुराचार भूमि पाके पचे से नहीं को विस्तार। ये अचिंत
अद्भुत स्पेशल लीला
इनके क्रिया जो है जो बुद्धि के अगम्य विचार के द्वारा
because with our material mind we cannot understand Mahaprabhu. Shastri good. Sometimes we cannot we cannot understand Achinta Adbhut. The Achinta Adbhut Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's beautiful Adbhut Vihar. Chitra Bhav Chitra Kund. His qualities.
तर्किया नामन्य सही दुराचार तर्किया नहीं माने सही दुराचार भूमि पाके पचे से ही नहीं कर विस्तार अचिंत खलुजी भावा न तांस तर्के न दुर्जय प्रदीप परम जस्तु तत् अचिंत सलक्षणम, इसमें अचिंत लक्षण कहते हैं। अद्भुत चैतन्य लीलाय जहर विश्वास সেই জন পায় चैतन्य पदपार। महाप्रभु के ऐसे अचिंत कथा में लीला में जिनको विश्वास है,
he's got so much vishwas that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who have Vishwas, who have faith in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they can attain his lotus feet. It says one cannot understand the contradictions in Lord Chaitanya's character by putting forward mundane logic. So with our mundane logic and arguments, we cannot understand Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That's why in Mangalacharam, then that of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Sam Nandan. In Yuga Dharma is Prem Nam Prachar. In Chaturvyat, why, what reason Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this world? Also Pancham is a Nityananda, Rohinananda. In the 6th chapter, Advaita Acharya's avatar of Advaita, many glorification of Advaita Acharya. In 7th chapter, in the Panchatattva, the 5 Panchatattwas, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda, that is in chapter 5. 6th chapter, and then the glorification of the Nam and the Krishna's name. There was a glorification of Krishna's name in chapter 8. People don't even understand the glorification of the name, Hey Nam, that how the potency of the name. Even once somebody says Krishna's name, that is he's also superior than Chandas. Chandan is a dog eater. So that is the glorification of the name. Even doing the glorification of Nam, Haridas Thakur is so in Natak, which Natak was it? Which book? That Rupa Goswami has glorified the name. So these are just every chapter doing the summary. Maharaj Gurudev is doing a summary of every chapter. So the 5th chapter says the truth of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. In the 6th chapter, that considers the Advaita Acharya Tattva. And the 7th chapter is the Pancha Tattva. And the 8th chapter gives the reason of describing Lord Chaitanya's pastimes. And it also describes the glorification, it gives the greatness of Harinam, Krishna's holy name. And the 9th chapter describes the tree of devotional service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. 10th chapter describes the branches and the sub-branches of the main trunk. So the 10th chapter describes the branches and the sub-branches. And the 11th chapter describes the branch called Nityananda Prabhu. And the 12th chapter describes the branches of Sri Advaita Acharya.
स्थान पर बैठे और फिर चोर वहीं पर आके करके भाग गए।
Like the chore, when the thief came to steal the ornaments of when Chaitanya met. So 14th is Lord's child pastimes, and the 16th is the pastimes of Kishora age, and then the 17th chapter is the known as Adilila, 12 constitute of the scriptures, Grantha Muktam, and after the chapters of 5 transcendental mellows in the 5 chapters, and then Vrindavan does. And the Sri Krishna Leela is wonderful, and even the personalities like Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva, they cannot find, even the great, they cannot understand the Lord Brahma and the Lord Shivas. Okay, whoever listens to Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela, all the pap will be destroyed. He said, hey brothers, listen to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Advaita Acharya, Srivasa, and all the devotees of the Lord Chaitanya, and they are paying their obeisances they are paying obeisances to Brajvasi, Krishna Das Kaviraj, all the Vrindavans of Bhakto, they are paying obeisances to Sri Rupa. So they are paying obeisances to all the Rupa Goswamis. Their name is Swarup Damodar, Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami. They are playing Das. So he's placing his lotus feet on. So here Krishna Das, he's paying obeisances to all the bhaktas of Vrindavan. So this is the end of chapter 17, Adi Lila. So then we'll start with Madhya Lila tomorrow.
अग्रजन जिनकी कृपा से सर्वप्रथा लाभ करते हैं और भगवान चैतन्य ये उनके प्रसन्न है। कहाँ आए हो? अच्छा इंग्लिश के बारे में करो।
Oh my God.
सबको दे दो आए। सबके दे दो भाई।